for example, but we need to not only manage those work queues, we want to ensure that all of those denials are getting routed to them. And by doing that, I'd want to match up those work queues and also be looking at my key performance indicators, my KPIs for receivables management, things like my days in AR, for example, my net adjusted collection rate as another example. And I'd really want to focus on making sure that I don't get any write-offs based on denials. That is really the key. There's always going to be a cost to working them. I define that as about $15. But it's critical to avoid the write-offs and ensure that your employees don't bury that as some, contractual adjustment. For example, we've got to make sure we work those denials in a timely manner. We get those reversed because we want to get paid for what our physicians deserve. Kyle?
Awesome. And now on to our last question. Our big issue is registration at the hospital. How can I possibly fix that?
This is quite a common problem for medical practices because you're normally controlling the professional registration but have a hard time with the facility registration that happens in patient access, admissions, etc. So I think it's a good strategy because our hospitals want to be collaborators with physicians, is to actually present the denial data to the hospital administration. If that doesn't get you anywhere, then network with the other practices that work out of that hospital. Because I will tell you, if you're having problems,